Adopt is a very special word. It means taking something or someone into your life with love and care. This lesson will help understand what adopt means and how to use it in daily English. Adopt means to take something as your own. It can be a person, an animal, or even an idea. When someone adopts, they accept and care for it. The simple meaning of adopt is to choose and take something to be part of your life. It shows kindness, responsibility, and acceptance. People can adopt children, pets, or even new ways of thinking. Adoption can happen in families, homes, or workplaces. To adopt a child means to become the child's parent by law and love. The child becomes part of the family forever. To adopt a pet means to take an animal home and care for it. Many people adopt dogs or cats from shelters. To adopt an idea means to start using or believing in it. For example, a company can adopt a new plan or rule. People adopt for many reasons. Some want to give love and care. Others want to help someone or something in need. For example, when someone adopts a dog, they give it a safe home, food, and love. The dog becomes part of the family. When someone adopts a child, they give the child a family, a home, and a future full of love and support. When someone adopts a new way, they start doing things differently. It can mean learning or improving something. The word adopt is said in one smooth sound. It is easy to say and use in many sentences. Adopt and adapt look similar but have different meanings. Adopt means to take something as your own. Adapt means to change something to fit a new situation. Here is an example: they decided to adopt a baby. This means they will become the baby's parents. Another example: our school will adopt a new rule. This means the school will start using a new rule. The past tense of adopt is adopted. Example: they adopted a cat last year. It already happened. The present tense is adopt. Example: they adopt pets every month. It is happening now. The future tense is will adopt. Example: they will adopt a child next year. It will happen later. People can adopt from animal shelters, adoption centers, or organizations that help children. Adoption brings many feelings. It can bring joy, love, hope, and sometimes nervousness. But it is always about care. Adoption is caring because it means giving love and attention to someone or something that needs it. Adoption is sharing because it means opening a home, heart, and life to others. Adoption can change lives. It gives new chances, new families, and new happiness. A famous example is Steve Jobs, who was adopted as a baby and later became a great inventor and leader. A fun fact: many countries celebrate Adoption Day to honor families who adopt and children who find homes. Adopt can be used in daily life. Try to adopt good habits, like reading or helping others. Now it's time to practice. Make a sentence using the word adopt. Think of a person, pet, or idea. Let's review. Adopt means to take something or someone as your own with love and care. In short, adopt means to accept, care, and make something part of your life. It can be a child, pet, or idea. Keep learning new words every day. Each new word helps to speak and understand English better. Thank you for learning about the word adopt. Keep practicing and keep growing in English.